Hi, I wanted to make this quick video to review Maybelline Color Tattoo on the bronze. In my Get Ready With Me, I have shared and used this with a brush, and I just wanted to kind of see or show how this color blends. These quick videos are more for a quick review or me playing with makeup on the camera. Just for one of my eyes, I'm going to take the color on the bronze, itchy nose, and apply it on the lid. I might have to scoot you over. Wait a second. Sorry, I'm trying to see in the camera. Actually, you know what? I need a mirror. Right, let's go. This is such a beautiful color. I'm going to take MAC 217 and just blend out the edges. On the outside, it's still very much the eyeshadow on its own. Nothing, no primer, no crease color is used. For my second eye, I'm going to take the color on a brush and see if the brush is going to lay the color better. You know, maybe I went too far when I was doing my Get Ready With Me tutorial. I feel like I overestimate my lid space. Yeah, people are right. Start from near the eye. So they... Yeah. Again, taking the MAC 217, just blending out the edges. That's the eye with color by hand. That's the eye with color from the brush. Definitely in real life, I think the color from the hand has blended far better. Now, I checked YouTube for this product, and I think a lot of people tend to just use it as a base color, which is beautiful, but on a day-to-day basis, who has the time? So, okay, I'm going to do my eyeliner and mascara and be back. Hi! I have the mascara on my eyelashes now, and I'm just going to zoom in for you to see the color. Definitely think that application is better. This is a gorgeous bronzy pinky color, and kind of like it. I hope you enjoyed this. If you want to invest in this color, on me it stayed put roughly 6 hours, after which there was severe creasing around here. But it is very well worth the £5. And I hope if you buy this, I hope you enjoy it too. Bye! Hey! It's much later during the day. Sorry, the video is not that great now. Anyways, you see, the eyeshadow is falling apart. The liner is kind of holding up in the top of the eyelid, but here it's kind of smudging all over. It's not as bad as I remember it to be.
we'll see. I'll try it again. Bye.